Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are diving into a new real estate project by Chandak, located in the vibrant area of Chembur East, Mumbai. At Chandak, we believe transforming spaces to create homes where family can thrive and community can flourish. If you are looking for your dream home with top-notch amenities and seamless connectivity, stay tuned because this project might just be the one for you. But before we get into the details, let me introduce you to PropAnchor. We help you buy your dream home directly from the developer with 0% brokerage, 0% service charges and 100% satisfaction. Trusted by 5,000 plus families across Mumbai. So let's dive into today's discussion. So today we'll cover developer profile, project location, project overview, amenities, area details and broking process. Let's start with the developer profile. Chandak has been developing homes for over 35 years with more than 30 completed projects. They believe in delivering quality and innovation to create spaces that inspire. They have developed over 10 plus million square feet and have made 8,500 plus families happy. Their dedication to excellence has been recognized with the Award for Excellence in Delivery from 2020 to 2023. Now, let's talk about the location. This project is located in Chembur East near Tata Colony. The Eastern Freeway in just 20 minutes away, Chembur-Wadala monorail in 15 minutes, BKC connector in 10 minutes, Ghatkopar-Manpur link road in 10 minutes and much more. You can reach the airport in 40 minutes and South Bombay in just 35 minutes. Now, let me give you an overview of the project. The project will span across 13 acres of freehold land and will feature 2 towers with 35 floors, offering 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK options, both with and without balconies. When it comes to amenities, this project has it all. You'll have an access to a grand clubhouse, live art space, mini theatre, Pilates room, VR gaming room, yoga room and many more. Now, let's talk about the area details for each type of unit. 1 BHK ranges from 407 square feet to 428 square feet. 2 BHK ranges from 638 square feet to 666 square feet with balcony options. 3 BHK ranges from 848 square feet to 876 square feet with balcony options. Let's discuss the booking process. The booking windows is open and clients can visit our Experience Center, where on-site managers will help you with 3D models, payment plans and offers. Chandak believes in providing a transparent and supportive buying process. The sample flats are ready for viewing. The payment plan includes options like 10% on booking, 10% in 45 days and so on. If you are inspired by this project and need more information, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more real estate updates. Thank you for watching.